actually incorporating AI-driven strategies into my company, taking inventory of all the different business functions, and then strategizing those on checking each one off and have it managed or actually replaced by AI. What were some of the sources saying were some of the biggest profit killers and how AI can handle it?
Welcome back, everyone, to the deep dive. This time we're taking a look at some pretty interesting sources, all about AI, creating wealth, and making sure that legacy of yours is ready for the future. I'm really excited to break these ideas down with you, and especially to see what we can come up with together. You know, these sources, they cover some really unique stuff, from investment strategies that most people wouldn't even think of, to like how AI is going to completely change the way we think about wealth.
It's pretty mind-blowing, actually. You know, these sources aren't just talking about like making a quick buck. They're talking about changing the whole system, the way wealth is even going to work in the years to come.
Yeah, it's almost like they're giving us the tools to not just ride the wave, but like build the wave, you know, be the architect of the future. One of the things that really jumped out at me was this idea of founder fatigue. You ever come across that?
Oh yeah, way more common than you'd think. Oh wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Hey, this is Mark. I am the owner and founder of the Ranches of Elk Creek. So I'm here to join in on the conversation, actually incorporating AI-driven strategies into my company. Looking forward to talking to you all about this.
Mark, it's fantastic to have you join us.
Welcome to the deep dive, Mark. It sounds like you're right in the middle of what we've been discussing.
It's incredibly insightful to hear from someone who's actively implementing AI in their business right now.
We were just getting into how AI can really transform existing businesses.
And hearing your real-world experiences with your ranches about Greek will be invaluable.
We'd love to hear more about the AI strategies you're using.
It could provide some really concrete examples for everyone listening.
Yeah, tell us a bit about what you're doing.
We were just about to dive in.
Oh, go for it.
Yeah, absolutely. So what I'm doing to start off, I'm taking inventory of all the different business functions and then strategizing those on highest priority, highest impact, and then using AI to start checking each one off and have it managed or actually replaced by AI.
That's a really smart and systematic approach, Mark.
It sounds like you're tackling this head on.
What's fascinating there is that you're focusing on prioritizing based on potential impact.
Yeah, hitting those high return areas first makes total sense.
It aligns perfectly with what our sources discuss about identifying profit killers.
Right, those inefficiencies that AI can really target.
Yeah, what were some of the sources saying were some of the biggest profit killers and how AI can handle those?
That's a great question, Mark, and it's central to what we were exploring.
Absolutely. The sources highlighted several key areas where businesses often bleed profits.
One of the biggest ones is slow and inefficient lead generation.
Think about how much time and money businesses spend on marketing. It doesn't always hit the mark.
The sources suggest AI-driven marketing can be a game changer here.
Using AI to target the right customers and automate those initial interactions.
It's about getting more high-quality leads without breaking your bank.
You mentioned prioritizing, and that's definitely a high-impact area.
Another major profit killer they pointed out is low sales conversion rates.
You know, getting people interested, but then not being able to close the deal.
AI sales agents and dynamic pricing models were mentioned as solutions.
Imagine AI handling objections and tailoring prices in real time.
Then there's the issue of high customer turn and poor retention.
Keeping your existing customers happy and coming back for more.
AI-driven personal engagement can really make a difference here.
Understanding customer behavior and proactively addressing their needs.
Operational bottlenecks were another big one.
The day-to-day tasks that slow things down and waste resources.
Those are all high priorities. It's just the world we live in now is so interesting. You can actually create agents that will handle these functions and then report back to you on what they accomplished and got done. And even they can be recursive. So you can build in feedback loops so they learn from their actions and get better with each iteration.
Absolutely, Mark. That concept of recursive AI agents is exactly where things are heading.
It's like building a self-improving business brain.
And the sources we've been looking at really underscore the potential of this kind of automation.
They talk about AI as a self-improving business machine,
using reinforcement learning to constantly refine its processes.
which ties directly into tackling those profit killers we were discussing,
Think about an AI marketing agent that not only generates leads,
but also learns which strategies are most effective over time.
or a sales agent that gets better at closing deals with each interaction.
And you mentioned those operational bottlenecks,
AI-powered automation is key there too.
streamlining scheduling, managing inventory.
Yeah, Yeah, so after kind of diving into all this, what do you think are the businesses that are ripe for AI integration?
That's a fantastic question, Mark. And the sources we've been exploring give us some really interesting clues.
Yeah, based on what we've read, it seems like the most promising areas are those old world infrastructure industries.
Exactly. Think about sectors that are essential but haven't yet fully embraced digital transformation and automation.
The sources specifically mentioned home services like HVAC, plumbing, and roofing.
Because they're generally recession proof and often made up of smaller, less tech savvy businesses.
AI could revolutionize things like scheduling, lead generation, and even pricing in those fields.
Waste management and recycling were another area highlighted.
With opportunities for AI in route optimization and even sorting.
And self-storage and vehicle storage, which are real estate based but often inefficiently managed.
AI-driven dynamic pricing and customer acquisition could be huge there.
Niche B2B manufacturing also stands out.
Where smaller firms often struggle with digital marketing and workflow automation.
Private security and surveillance is another ripe area.
With potential for AI-powered threat detection and automated client acquisition.
And let's not forget fleet and trucking logistics.
That's a massive industry with clear needs for AI and routing and cost reduction.
Even high-end auto repair and maintenance could benefit greatly.
Through AI-driven marketing and customer relationship management.
And finally, medical and dental practices.
Yeah, that's really interesting. Why don't we just pick one like dentistry? Let's just go all in on how you could AI integrate and change a dentist practice around.
That's a great idea, Mark. Let's zero in on dental practices.
The sources actually specifically mention medical and dental practices as ripe for AI integration.
One of the key opportunities highlighted was AI-powered client acquisition.
Think about how dentists currently find new patients.
It's often through traditional marketing, word of mouth, or insurance networks.
AI could analyze demographics and online behavior to target potential patients much more effectively.
Imagine AI running hyper-targeted ads and reaching people who are actively looking for a dentist.
And it could automate those initial interactions and appointment bookings.
That would free up the front office staff for other important tasks.
Another area is billing automation, which the sources also mentioned.
Dealing with insurance companies and patient payments could be... Oh, back to our listener.
That makes a lot of sense. I think, for any business, if you could automate the actual billing and collections and reduce your cash conversion cycle down, that's a win for every business.
Absolutely, Mark. You've hit on a crucial point there.
Streamlining billing and collections is huge for cash flow.
And as we were saying, the sources specifically call out billing automation for medical and dental practices.
AI could definitely step in to handle a lot of those processes.
Think about automated invoice generation and payment reminders.
Even following up on overdue accounts could be managed by AI.
That would definitely improve cash flow for the practice, as we were just about to say.
And online scheduling was another key opportunity.
Patients expect to be able to book appointments easily online, 24/7.
AI-powered systems can handle that seamlessly, even managing cancellations and rescheduling.
It's all about creating a more convenient experience for the patient, which helps with retention too.
Beyond the administrative side, think about how AI could assist with the actual practice.
While the sources don't go into clinical applications for dentistry specifically,
We can extrapolate based on AI's capabilities in other medical fields,
imagine AI analyzing x-rays to help identify potential issues.
or assisting with treatment planning for complex cases.
That could lead to more accurate diagnoses and better patient outcomes down the line.
The core idea, as the source emphasizes, is removing inefficiencies.
In a dental practice, that could mean fewer administrative burdens and more focus on patient care.
So by integrating AI for client acquisition, billing, and scheduling,
And potentially even assisting with diagnostics as AI evolves.
a dental practice could become significantly more efficient and profitable.
It's about leveraging AI to build a smarter, more streamlined operation.
Thanks for that additional insight on billing, Mark.
It really reinforces the value proposition of AI in this sector.
This has been a really insightful part of our discussion.
Join us next time as we continue to explore the world of AI and its impact.
Until then, keep those innovative thoughts coming.
Absolutely. Thank you guys. Have a great day.